1, 2, 3, smile!
Uy, ano to ito? Parang
Asang? Di mo
ato na sa sud.
Sood na lang. Kuha na lang. Kanang mag-pray ka niya. Action na lang o blow.
It's up.
Invisible fire.
Eh. Wala.
Di kaya, di kaya. Okay. Okay, so mauni ang message. Happy birthday, Kuya. Watching you grow has been the greatest gift, blessings, pride, and no matter how far you go or how old you get, you will always be my little boy. I'm so proud of you, Kuya. Not only me and also your papa, ate, inday, and undoy. I love you, anak ko. Don't give up. Focus on your goal. Be my strongest son, what I ever know. So many love you. Amping kanunay, and don't forget, always pray. From Mama, Papa, Ate Len me, Inday, Biwing, Ondoy, Jurel, and Jade. Happiest birthday. Emotional kayo siya. Hani, may imong tubag.
Thank you. Salamat sa kuan gate po. Sa kuan pamilya Morto.
I love you, food.
I love you, Mapa, Ate, Lokate, Bondoy.
Marata, di na kamudugan. Okay.
Happy birthday, Jiro!
Mahina.